hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis. Now, we actually had pretty nice short setup inside the Discord. We caught this short here, this flat that played out very nicely. So we could see that, you know, we got rejected at 110, 175. Now we've come back down to 107, 541, which is kind of funny because I think there's a guy, well, actually, not I think, there is a guy that is longing, with like something like $1 billion with 40 leverage, and he's like, his liquidation was like 107, 560 or a bit lower. I think it's a bit lower, and it almost hit it. Like we hit, like, on some exchanges it didn't hit 105.60. Like right here we hit 105. Sorry, not 105. 107.527, and here was like what 107.552. Some exchanges didn't go that low. See, like 107.569. So I guess that guy's still in his like giant long. But I don't know. It seems kind of dangerous to be longing the top with like $1 billion. I just cut my finger and it's bleeding. Sorry, that hurts. Anyways, if we do end up coming back down, we have a dip buy area, which, by the way, I need to adjust a little bit because we did make a bit of a higher high here. I had it off this high. Now we just need to move it up a bit. So I'm thinking if we do end up coming down, not guaranteed that we do, but if we do end up coming back down, 105 to basically 101.750 is a dip buy area. Anywhere lower, you're at risk of completing the cycle here, which would not be good. Obviously for the longs, but for the the shorts, yeah, they would start to boom. Now we're taking a look at market cipher. The monthly is still very bullish. The weekly time frame still bullish. Most of the time frames are still bullish. The 3-day has a red dot. The 2-day and the daily are kind of just chopping about here. Could be just some consolidation before our next move higher. The 4-hour, you got this red dot. Damn it, I'm actually bleeding a lot. I really cut my finger bad. Oh my god, it's getting kind of out of hand. I'm gonna have to end this video. Got a medical emergency. Yeah, overall, still looking for a little dip buy. If you get a hard invalidation below 100K, then you should be coming back down to the to the mid 90s or something like that. And if you can't bounce there, then I guess the top is in. And we didn't hit our target at 114. Again, I'm really looking for that $114,000 target. But I think to be honest, the price will chop sideways, and the 7-hour RSI band will meet it. Probably halfway there, like 104, 106. If we do end up coming back down, if we don't come back down, then you're just gonna go straight up. Like that's the mode that we are in right now, and you're starting to see. Wow, look at that, the 4-hour. We got a little USD JPY price action right now. We're seeing some pumping. So if the yen is going to start pumping back up, that's going to help equities go up, and that's going to help the markets go up as a whole. It may mean that the dollar is going to strengthen a bit. That may put some pressure on Bitcoin and pressure on gold. But overall, I think it's going to be we're headed towards a big inflationary period. So we kind of just want to stay locked in here, and yeah, there might be some chop, but I think the target is higher, guys. I think it might be just higher. You just have to admit it that the prices can go higher, and you can't just be shorting every all-time high. Okay, all right, that's it. Peace.